Y'all, I am loving this quick, easy Afro puff. Stay tuned and I will show you guys how it's done. Remember to subscribe. All right, so this is the Sensational Insta Pony Afro Puff Medium number 2, and I'm about to get started. This is my Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. I got the Eco Stylers that I'm going to use. My rubber band, of course, and my brushes, and let's get started. Oh, my rag too for my edges. So my hair was already washed and conditioned before. I don't wash my hair every day, but I do like to put in some leave-in conditioner every day or every other day just to moisten up my hair. Just, trying to take care of it a little bit better than I was before. Oh, my hair has grown since the big chop last year, y'all. Woohoo! All right, so now I'm starting off with the pink Eco Styler. This is just to soften my hair and give it a little bit of a just to help my curl pattern a little bit, because your girl working with that 4C and it is rough, and the pink Eco Styler helps with that a lot. So I'm just going to brush it up into a ponytail. See how it makes it a lot softer with the leave-in Shea Moisture conditioner coupled with the pink Eco Styler. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I do. I'm just going to brush that up and make sure everything is up together. Yeah, and I probably should have moistened my ends a little bit more now that I'm looking at this. Tomorrow I'll go ahead and do that. All right, so now it's time to put my hair up in a ponytail, y'all. This is just so simple and so easy. So easy. And I know I probably should be using one of the fabric covered ones, but this is what I had on hand. So now it's time for the edges. I always use the green for the edges because I want that extra hold. And let's get started. All right. Now, disclaimer, I am not good with edges. I watch a lot of videos where the girls are just laying their edges down, and I just cannot do it. I don't know if it's just because I'm old and I'm used to the old school way of doing it, but how they doing it nowadays, I just can't do it. So I just do what I can do. And this is how it's going to turn out. I probably used a little bit too much gel now that I think about it. But it does give my edges a little extra shine too. Oh, but I can see some of my hair is coming out of my ponytail, so I'm going to need to smooth that up as well. I probably could have did those sideburns a little bit better, but yeah, let me smooth that up. Maybe next time I won't use the pink and I'll just use the green all the way around. I'll probably use the pink if I'm probably wearing my hair down on one of the half wigs or something that I need some of my hair to be left out, if I needed a little bit of leave out. But if you guys watched any of my other videos, I do not like leave out. I like to slick my hair up in a ponytail or back in a ponytail and just keep it going. Yeah, I need to clean that up some. All right, so now I'm going to put my scarf on, and I leave my scarf on to lay my edges down while I do my makeup. I am freshly out the shower right now, so that's why my face just looks a hot mess. I'm clean, but my face just looks ugh. All right, now it's time to do some makeup, and then we're going to put the ponytail on, y'all. All right, so makeup is done. I'm showing you the construction of the ponytail, the drawstring, the combs. It only has a comb in the front and the back, and wearing this, basically that's all you need. I mean, you can pin it down on the side, but it's not absolutely necessary. I'm not some wild hood chick that's worried about getting in the fights and somebody snatching my ponytail off. I do not live that life, so I am not worried about that. And these 2 clips and the drawstring is basically really all that I need. I wish I would have done my edges a little bit better, because now I look like I got some damn Beijing going on the top of my head. Like I just came from the barbershop and got an edge up. Oh, I'm gonna watch some more YouTube videos and figure it out. But right now, it's on. I pulled the drawstring. I made it tight. Maybe on the sides I am going to put some bobby pins around there because it is windy in Ohio right now. So yeah, I'll do that. But other than that, oh, I still got a little line. I gotta blend that out with some makeup. But other than that, I like it. I think it works. Yep. So I'm gonna play with it a little bit more. Then I'm gonna take some pictures and let you guys see the finished product of this quick and simple sensational Insta Pony Afro Puff ponytail in medium. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. It's so simple, so quick. Everyday hairstyle. They have other types of ponytails. I just decided to try this one and I like it a lot. I hope you guys like it. Let me know. Like, comment, and subscribe.